Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 1. The Blessed Lord said, "He who performs his bounden duty without depending on the fruits of actions is a sannyasi and a yogi, not he who has renounced, is without fire and without actions."
Chapter 6, Shloka 1. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Anāshrita karma phalam karyam karma karoti yaha sasannyasi cha yogi cha na niragnir na chakriyah.
Chapter 6, Shloka 1. To achieve perfection, several lower methods of integration are prescribed. Chapter 3 introduced Karma Yoga, explained the philosophy behind the technique, and gave the exhaustive scientific treatment of the path of action. Chapter 4, Renunciation of Action in Knowledge, introduced new methods of maintaining the mind in quietude and ease to soothe the reactions of action, karma phala. Lord Krishna teaches that while in a busy marketplace, one can attain an inner calm life, remain in the awareness of the divine, which is the support of all activities, and not get affected by the happenings around. Arjuna got confused, as earlier the path of action was advocated. Then in chapter 4, ending action in knowledge, the treatment for curing the mind of its past vasanas was prescribed. And later in chapter 5, true renunciation, the way of renunciation is explained through two methods: giving up our sense of agency in activities, and B, our unintelligent and thoughtless anxiety for the fruits of action to reach the same goal. The above adjustments stir the insentient mind and make it fit for work in the field of intense activity. Such a mind is ready to come and work joyfully under the guidance of the trained and determined subtle intellect, which is better equipped for the higher purpose of self-contemplation and self-unfoldment. How this is done is the theme of the chapter 6, meditation, or the technique of meditation. Arjuna wanted to escape from the post of duty and live a sannyasa life, as he didn't know what a truly selfless worker is, the greatest sannyasi, and without renunciation you cannot be true sannyasi. So, before one takes to meditation, one has to cultivate, direct and apply the inner forces of thoughts and feelings for success in meditation later. More in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.